Now that you've finished looking at the input material for Practical Task B, the scheme of work, this short video will guide you through the exact requirements for Practical Assessment Task B. During Practical Task B, you're going to need to produce a learning programme or a scheme of work for your specialist subject area. You should ensure that this is for a minimum of 6 sessions, and you may use the template provided. If you already have your own scheme of work that you use in your company or area, you can use this, but do make sure that it incorporates all of the headings in the template scheme of work. You should make sure that it contains your name as the teacher, the course or qualification that's going to be studied, the duration of the programme, and remember that this scheme of work must contain at least 6 sessions of 1 hour each, the group, the name, the number of students as appropriate, the course aims. These should be written from your perspective and should be a general description of what you want the group to be able to achieve. In the main part of the scheme of work, in the table, you should make sure that you've included dates or week numbers. Use these as headings and make sure that there are at least 6 of them. Make sure that you've added SMART objectives or learning outcomes, as in your lesson plan. Then make sure that you've noted the activities and resources that you and your learners are going to use during the programme of study. Make sure that you've also added details of the assessment activities that you'll be using to ensure that learning has taken place. Finally, at the end of the scheme of work, if you have delivered it, you might like to write a short evaluation of how it went and what you might change in future. If you look on the Moodle site for Practical Task B, you'll see that I've also put up a Word document that you can download and read, covering the instructions that I've just run through. And also, as usual, there is a link that you use to upload your finished practical task. Good luck with Assessment Practical Task B, your scheme of work.